Artoonza.
Hey there, juice lovers and orange-obsessed artists. Did you know that a fruit blender and some juicy oranges are secretly waiting to become your next incredible masterpiece? That's absolutely right. Today, we're drawing the ultimate juice-making machine, complete with fresh orange juice swirling inside, plus some super cute oranges that look so real you might actually try to squeeze them. Just kidding. Please don't squeeze your paper. We're getting wonderfully wild with black markers, glitter that sparkles brighter than sunshine, and acrylic paints that drop like magic.
Aw, so cute.
And here's the absolute best part. We're adding glitter polish in green, red, and blue because why should oranges have all the color fun? This blender is about to become the coolest, shiniest, most dazzling kitchen appliance you've ever drawn. It might even make your real blender jealous. Give us your like. Let's blend art and fun together. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. All right, color commanders, it's time to bring out the big brother. We're starting with yellow acrylic paint. And trust me, this isn't just any yellow. This is sunshine in a bottle, banana dreams, lemon party yellow. First, we're going to use our magical paint dropper to add little drops of yellow paint onto our drawing. Watch them plop down like tiny golden treasure drops. Now here's where the real fun begins. Grab your paintbrush and start spreading that sunshine all over your blender and oranges. Feel like a professional artist? You should, because you totally are. Just remember, if you accidentally paint your fingers yellow, you can tell everyone you're turning into a banana. Time for green glitter polish. Watch it sparkle like a disco party for plants. Your blender just got fancy. Give us a big thumbs up.
So cute.
Red glitter polish alert, adding the pizzazz that makes everything pop like fireworks. Blue glitter polish time. This color is cooler than a penguin wearing sunglasses at the North Pole. Seriously, it's so shiny and sparkly, your drawing might start glowing in the dark. Just kidding. But wouldn't that be amazing? And now for the grand finale, the star of the show, the VIP of colors, orange acrylic paint. This is where everything comes together like magic. Grab that paint dropper again and watch those beautiful orange drops land on your paper like little bursts of citrus happiness. Plop, plop, plop. Now pick up your paintbrush and start painting those gorgeous oranges. Make them so juicy looking that you might actually get thirsty. And don't forget to fill that blender with the most delicious looking orange juice ever. Smash that like button now. We're talking orange so bright, it could light up a whole room. Keep brushing, keep painting, and watch your masterpiece transform into the most spectacular fruit blender creation in the entire universe. Wow. If your little brother or sister tries to drink from your drawing, you'll know you did an absolutely amazing job. Pat yourself on the back, you magnificent artist. You just created something truly special. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.